This is number 15 from the College Algebra Final Exam Review. We're going to solve using the quadratic formula. This is x squared minus 14x plus 65 equals 0. Thankfully, this is in standard form for us of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we can see a in front of x squared is positive 1, b in front of x is negative 14, c out by itself is positive 65. So now that we know a, b, and c, we can plug this into our quadratic formula. Make sure that you do have to know the quadratic formula on the test. It's not going to be on there. So x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So I just plug in our values. We have negative b, which is negative 14. So negative from the formula, our b value is negative 14, plus or minus the square root of b, which is negative 14 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 65, all over 2 times 1. So we can simplify this. So negative 14, two negatives make a positive, so positive 14, plus or minus the square root. I'm going to plug that stuff in my calculator just like I see it. So in parentheses, negative 14 squared minus 4 times 1 times 65. So just like I see it, but don't put the radical because it'll give you an error. And we get negative 64 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So I have 14 plus or minus the square root of negative 64. We know the square root of positive 64 is 8. And then the square root of that negative would give us I. The square root of negative 1 is I. So the square root of negative 64 is 8I all over 2. That means both numbers could be divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Plus or minus 8I divided by 2 is 4I. So our answer should be 7 plus or minus 4I, which on our review is letter C. So that's number 15.